Hello guys, as you can see here, this is a mail from this website where you can monetize your YouTube content for free. So as you can see, it's Cliff payout update. So to show you this now, screenshots, you can see this is my Gmail, and after clicking on this email, you're going to see what they said. They said, "Good day you all, this weekly payment has now been executed. Check your payment page for your channel to review your results." So guys, if you want to learn how you can start with this website, before we get started in this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up, hit the red subscribe button, and let's get starting right now. So actually the name of this website is called clip.xyz, and the link is going to be in the description, guys. So in this website you're gonna earn free money for uploading your YouTube videos on their platform. So let's see how this goes. So when you come on this website, all you have to do is click on this bar. After clicking on it, you see the pop-up and you can click on the sign in button. After clicking on the sign in button, you're gonna be brought to this page. Since you are a newbie, you have to click on create account. So now you'll be brought to tell you to write your member handle on this space below. So what you have to do is type and so guys, you click on continue. After choosing the name, you can also decide to choose the name of your YouTube channel. Click on continue, and they are gonna give you a secret phrase which you have to save. After saving this phrase, keep on, you can save it to your Google or download, then you click on continue. After clicking on continue, you enter your email. So let me do that quickly. I'll have to fill this out now, and now you click on, after filling your password, you have to click on the captcha to prove that you are who you are. So start clicking on it, you wait for it to load up. So after waiting for it to load up, guys, you can see that they say we should click on all images with cows. So choose the images and click on verify. You have to make sure the image is matching with the one they're going to be showing you on this side of the captcha. I just think there's some network problems, so guys, just stick with me to the end of this video. And if you have gone this far, I think you should like this video, subscribe, and you should also check out other content, because you can make up to $1,000 even with those simple steps I've laid down in the videos. So because they are easy and simple. So after waiting for it to go, I say click all images with an elephant. So click on verify, and boom, you hit the sign up button. After hitting the sign up button, we see a page where it said creating membership. So let's wait for it to load up. And guys, you can see there is a warning here. They say do not close the browser tab or reload the page. So if you reload this page, you have to start the process all over. So let's see how it goes together. So as you can see, it said your membership has been created. Congratulations, you can now browse, watch, create, collect videos across the platform and have fun. Enjoy your 5 joy token to help you cover transaction fees. These tokens are non-transferable and can't be spent on NFT or other purchases. So you click on continue. Now that you're brought to this place, so you will see this part of the screen with the 3 dots. Click on it. As you click on it, you are going to see the YouTube partner program. So before you do this, you must have a YouTube account with at least 20 subscribers. So I think that's easy, and if you want to know how to create a YouTube account, you can check other videos on YouTube. So let's click on the YouTube partner program. So after clicking on the YouTube partner program, you have to hit on the sign up with Google. Don't worry, this does not affect your account. So after doing this, you have to see some requirements from them. Oh, the requirements have been changed. So you can see they say organic content without reposts from other creators. Organic content means you created them, or the content you are promoting does not have any copyright tag or strike, and your account must have organic audience. You must not purchase subscribers to get on this website. You must have at least 50 subscribers, and your channel has at least 2 videos and needs to be 1 month old. So guys, this is a better chance to jump on this, and all you have to do is click on create account, and boom, you connect it to the Gmail account you used for your YouTube and grant it all the necessary permission, and you'll be brought to a page where you will be asked to wait for up to 24 hours, up to 2 days for your request to be processed. So guys, it's very easy and simple. As you can see, if you are reviewed and you fall under the bronze level. The bronze level means low effort production. As you can see, low effort production, growing subscribers based on channel supporters. So, and you're going to be paid $2 for signing up on this website, but you won't be paid to upload any video, and for referral you can get up to $100. Isn't that simple? And if for signing in with my link, you get 5 joy tokens for simply doing this. That is easy, right? So guys, let's check other rewards. So the second reward is the silver reward. This silver reward is original good quality of content, sizable subscriber based on high ratio of views for videos. So for your channel to fall under the silver, you get a $50 sign-up bonus, a $3 per video you post, and referral up to $100. So the third is the gold. The gold is great quality of content, large subscribers base of fan active in the comment section, and you're gonna be rewarded with $100 for sign-up bonus, $5 for every video you post, and up to $100 for referral. Isn't that easy, guys? So my referral code is going to be in the description. You can use that to add your YouTube account. If you have been thinking of making one, maybe you have but you don't know how to monetize it, maybe this is an easy way, because it's very easy and simple. Under 48 hours you will be able to get monetized on this platform. So the last and not the least is the diamond. When you fall under the diamond, this is a badge, and for you to fall under this diamond, you have to get top tier professional quality, recognized influence, and large follower audience. So for falling under the diamond, you get a $200 sign up bonus. Isn't that big? And a $16 per video you post on your YouTube channel, and up to $100 for referral. So that's all. And you can see here, these are channels which are already earning. As you can see, 29,000 joy token, which is almost $500. So you can also make some money for yourself, and it's pretty easy and simple. So make sure your contents are yours and they are not copyright videos. So if you want to learn how to copy videos from YouTube without getting any copyrights, you can check out some videos on YouTube also. They are going to be teaching you about that. So the withdrawal is easy. You just have to install a Polkadot wallet, a wallet that accepts Polkadot. Like example, you can go to your Play Store, and search for Polkadot wallet. So I would recommend you choose this sub wallet Polkadot. This sub wallet is one of the best. You click on install, wait for it to install, and as you can see, they have some good ratings. So while we are waiting for it to install, as you can see here, they said connection is safe. So if you connect your YouTube account to this platform, the connection is safe. You don't have anything to do with your YouTube account, nothing, and they are partnered with YouTube, so there's nothing to worry about. As you can see, they can only take your channel title, avatar image, sub count and date, video title, views and date, and account profile. So as you can see, this is like their blog, a short blog. And also on your channel, you can also sell your NFTs. That is another way to make money on this platform, apart from the other incentives that you get from the platform. You can sell NFTs, maybe your profile picture. Also, you can get tip from, which is called the creator tokens. Say, turn viewers into evangelists by letting them hold a share in your channel when they buy your own channel token. So what this basically means that you can create a token for your channel, and when people buy, you get money for yourself. So as you can see, there are other ways, and they're coming up in the nearest future. And if you can look at the payment, let's check out the payment site. And on this payment site, you can see the list of creators payouts that has been made, and that's for this year. And if you check here, you will see that one was paid on the 11th of, they pay like basically every week, Tuesday especially. So after clicking on it, you will see the total channel that was paid. As you can see here, they say total channel in the YouTube partner program was 23,075, and total YouTube subscribers was 147.3 million. And as you can see, the sign up rewards were equal to 1,410 US dollars. I know how much that was. And the referral rewards were 562 USD. The sync reward were 2,321 USD, and the total channel paid for this week was 659. So guys, as you can see, this is the exchange rate of the coin. It's called the Joy token. The Joy token is 0.01 cents, and according to them, you're given at least 175,610 Joy token, and that is almost a weekly payout of 3,243 US dollars. So they don't have any minimum withdrawal, guys. You can start today, and if you are approved in their program, you can also get paid today. There's no minimum withdrawal on this platform. So on this wallet, you click on open. After clicking on open, wait for it to load up, and as you can see, you click on import account. After clicking on import account, you scroll down a bit till the end, click on I understand, then click on continue. After clicking on continue, you import from seed phrase. Click on import from seed phrase. Now they will ask you to add a password. This password you're going to be adding is to unlock this wallet on this device, on the device you are going to be using. So let me put my password quickly. So after clicking on that, you click on the understand and click on continue. After clicking on continue, you input the seed phrase that was sent to you when you were creating your account on this platform. So I paste mine, and you hit import account. After hitting the import account, you are going to wait for it to do its job. As you can see, it's loading us in a new page, and you can just decide to read this, or you click on dismiss, and let's see. As we are told, we are gifted 5 Joy tokens, so let's know if you have gotten the tokens in our wallet. So guys, if you want to see the amount of token you have, you click on the manage token at the bottom of the wallet, then you enter the search bar, search for Joy. That is what you paid in, Joy. Then you turn this on, toggle this button on. Then it's going to appear on your home screen. You go back and let's reload. Let's try again. Joy. And guys, after saying all of that, you can see you are ready to start monetizing your YouTube channel now. And I think you found this helpful, so give this video a like and comment your thoughts. You can ask any question and I'll be active to reply to your comments. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Click on the red subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the very next one.